Hello, welcome to our programming in R for beginners. In this video, we will talk about how to do type conversion in R programming. So, R language provides a set of functions to identify an object's data type or a variable's data type and convert it to a different data type. And the functions of the form is dot, and here's data type, so which data type will return true or false. So these kinds of functions can be used to test if this variable or object of which data type. And a series of other kinds of functions like as.datatype. So data type is a specific data type. So as.this data type will convert the object or variable to that type. So for example, this series of functions are used for test of a data type. So is.numeric will test if the object or variable or the vector is numeric, and is.character will test if the object is character, and is.matrix is vector, is.dataframe, and is.factor is logical, and so on. We'll test the object or the associated type. And as.numeric, as.character, for example, this will convert the object or variable into numeric or into character, and as.vector, as matrix, as data frame, as factor, as logical, and so on. So it's quite clear, is a data type and as the data type. These are two kinds of functions in R for object or variable type conversion or test. So next we will show several examples of them. So first we set working directory and read a CSV file and to create as a data frame called grade. So we will show the structure of this grade data frame. So this data frame contains 20 observations and 10 variables. So 20 rows and 10 columns. You can see these variables: student ID, first name, last name, gender, country, these are character, and age, math, physics, chemistry, and numeric, and date are character. So next, for example, we will use is.numeric to test if the age variable in the grade data frame is numeric variable. True, is numeric. And next we will test is.vector. We'll test the grade data frame's first name is a vector. Yes, true, because if you just run grade first, it will return a vector, right? So it is a vector. Each column of a data frame is a vector. So is.vector will test true. So next, we can use as.character to transform or convert age column, age variable of grade data frame as we first convert this and set to a new object called test. So we convert to the character and to the test. Show. Now you can see the age, all the values of age has quotes now. If we use is.numeric to test if this object is numeric, will be false now. Is.vector, but this object is true because this is a vector with 20 elements, right? And if we use is.character of this object, it's true because we have converted from number, numeric, to character. And another very often used conversion is as factor. So if we show the grade now, you can see the gender is a character, male, 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 female. But usually when you do some statistic analysis or do some modeling, maybe you can want to set the gender as a factor variable. So we can use as.factor of this variable in this data frame and convert as a factor and assign back to this variable of this same data frame. So grade gender is as factor grade gender. Then we show again these data frames structure. So now gender is a factor variable with two levels, female, male, female, male. So the level 1, the first level is female and next is male. This is sorted as alphabetically. So the value is 2, 2, 2, female, 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 male, 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 female, male, female, 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 male, and so on. And you can download all the source files in this playlist for rprogramming for beginners from this GitHub link. Thanks for watching.